morning, children. How are you? Very good. Have you enjoyed the summer vacation? Very good. Before summer vacation, we have completed one of the chapter. Its name is an equation. Do you know the definition of equation? I am just telling you. When two mathematical statements or when two algebraic expressions are related with equal sign is called an equation. To solve an equation means find out the value of variable from the equation. There are two methods to solve any equation. The name of the methods, one is called trial and error method, another is called transpose method. Generally, and in senior classes, we use second method. We used to solve by second method, that is transpose method. In transpose method, we arrange all the variables in left side and constants in right side. In this process, when we shift any term from one side to another side, the sign of term gets changed. Suppose -4 from left side to right side becomes +4. Multiply becomes divide from one side to another side. Divide becomes multiply. So these are the rules, certain rules. But you will understand better when I solve any equation or any problem on the board. So I am taking exercise number 4.3. The problem number 1 and its part A. The equation is 2y plus 5 upon 2 is equal to 37 upon 2. In this equation, 2y is the variable, 5 upon 2 is the constant. So we shift 5 upon 2 from left side to right side. Since the sign of 5 by 2 is plus, so the sign will be minus when we shift from left to right. So it becomes 2y equal to 37 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2. And when children, keep in your mind, when we solve any equation, we use this sign. This is called implies. This is called implies sign. And this is called equal sign. So whenever we solve the equation, we use imply sign for the next step. Now it becomes 2y equal to 32 upon 2. Since these are the like fraction, so here is no need to take the LCM of denominator. In like fractions, directly we add or subtract numerators. So here 37 minus 5, that is 32, and the denominator remains same. Now 32 may cancel by 2 16 times, or you divide 32 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, remaining 1, 1 and 2 12, and 12 2 6 ja 1 and 2 12, 2 6 ja 12. So this is 16. 2y equal to, this implies 2y equal to 16. Now there is multiplication sign between 2 and y. So we have to shift 2 again because it is the constant. So we shift 2 from left to right. It is multiplication sign, so it will be in divide. So it becomes y equal to 16 upon 2. ये मल्टीप्लाई साइन था, इसलिए यहां पे डिवाइड हो गया। 16 को जब हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे या 2 की टेबल जब हम डिसाइड करेंगे तो इट कम्स 8 टाइम्स। 2 8 जा 16, so it is y equal to 8, and this is called the solution of this equation. This is called the solution of equation. The value of y is here. Do you understand, children? We can check our answer also by putting the value of y in the equation. Suppose we put y equal to 8 in this equation, and when we solve it, it will come 37 upon 2. So that is another part, how to check our answer. But this is complete method to solve any equation. Understand, children? Now I am solving here only one sum on the board, so you will understand more better. Here, children, first you put the sign imply. Here 4 is the constant number. We shift this 4 from left to right. So the sign of 4 is here plus. If any sign is not given, then it is understood the sign is plus. So it will be 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 34 minus 4. Here also you open the bracket. This is bracket. So you open the bracket. 5 into x, it becomes 5x. Minus 5 banja 5 is equal to 34 minus 4, children. It is 30. This implies 5x. Again, this is constant number. Minus 5 is the constant. So it should be shifted in the right side. So this minus 5 becomes plus 5. 30 plus 5, 35. Here the same 5 into x. We read it 5 into x. So there is sign between 5 and x, multiplication. तो जब हम इसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे तो ये 5 जो है वो डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. This implies x equal to 35 upon 5. Just cancel it. 5 बन जा 5, 5 7 जा 35. It implies x equal to 7, and this is the value of variable 7. This is the value of x. Now you understood clearly? Okay, thank you.